Hey, what's up? This is Jake here in Jake's shop. Gonna go ahead and take the bird for a spin. It's been about 6-8 months since I've taken for a drive. I got my kid, Caden, who is currently recording for me, and I got Nico and Karen here as well, my other two boys. They're gonna help me get this thing cleaned up, take it for a spin. It's been a little while since it's been out. I keep it under cover when I'm working on my Camaro project, and I probably shouldn't even have it in here. But, you know, it's time to get it uncovered. We're gonna go ahead and blow it off and uncover this thing. So Caden, keep recording. I blew it off a little bit before I went ahead and started recording. I just don't want too much dust on the cover. So, Caden, all right, let's get this thing uncovered. So, I built this thing 15 years ago. We started the project. This was before there was any real.
Can I not start up first?
I'll start it up in a minute, Nico. This is before I really had a whole lot of. There wasn't much information out there with suspension systems and LS conversions and all of that stuff. So I actually co-designed the suspension with Art Morrison, and we designed a suspension for this car that I channeled into the body of the car and used an 02 Corvette suspension. Coilovers, rack and pinion, just you name it, this thing has it. It's rough, but it's my build and I love it. Okay, so this is the first startup in 6-8 months, and Nico, my littlest, is now 3. And this is one of the first times he's really going to get to hear this car start up since he was, what, 2? Yeah, maybe 2?
No, 1.
1, maybe? No, he heard it last year, he just doesn't remember. So I've got Karen and Nico here, and they're going to help me start this car up. Nico, will you go grab the keys? They're over on the bench.
Oh, these are the full ones?
Yep, those are the Firebirds.
Oh.
Bring them over. Come on. Alright, do you want to sit in there and sit on the seat? It's kind of dirty, but we'll clean it up. Alright, make sure it's in neutral. Since I did not put a neutral safety switch in this car, gotta make sure it's in neutral, otherwise it tries to lurch forward when I try and start it. Alright, let's see what happens. Flip the fuel pump on. You want to flip the fuel pump on, Nico? No? Okay. You ready? You got the kit? You got Nico and Kieran in the frame? Alright, so hear the fuel pump? You hear that? Ready? Once you gotta let the fuel pump prime. So what's happened is because the battery, I shut it off, the computer has to relearn what's going on. So it might take a couple starts before it idles. Caden videotape it for me, and the boys are going to help me back it out. We're going to give this thing a little bit of a wash. So. An ls1, like I said, D1AC supercharged. That's got my own bracket assembly to hold everything together. And it's dirty, but there it is. That's the beast of the machine. Alright, Caden, you helping out? You can do some vacuuming? Hey, how about this? The car's getting warmer now. So let's go ahead and rev it real quick. Nico, do you want to rev the car?
No.
Yeah, come here, check it out. Yeah, she's super dusty. We'll get her cleaned up here. That's what happens when you got 3 boys running around and gardens and everything else. But you want to press the pedal?
No.
All right, Caden, you want to press the pedal? All right, Nico, watch. Just rev it up a little bit. See what happens. All right, hold on. All right, take it to the floor and up. All the way to the floor and up. Perfect. Nico, what do you think? Is it loud? You like it? What do you think, Caden?
Awesome.
What do you think, Karen?
Awesome.
pop-off valve going on the supercharger. Go ahead, one more time. All in. Okay, good. She sure is fun to drive. All right, on to cleaning. Okay, it really helps to have a cleaning crew now that we're on to the cleaning phase of this car. It's been a little while. Kieran is soaking everything down. A little simple green, you know, it's been dusty and nasty, so he's squirting her down. I got my 3-year-old over here. How you doing, Nico? You cleaning the door? Yeah. You got some vinyl cleaner there? You doing good? You get all the dust off? And then I got Caden in there. He's vacuuming. So there's one thing about having 3 boys help me out here. Dirty car. We'll do the exterior after we do the interior.
Dad, I picked up these.
What is that? No, those are extras.
Soap on them?
No, here's the trick, guys. Soap, we don't need soap on this car right now because it has such a high buffing compound on it that you don't need soap. And what soap does is it causes there to be a lot of water spots. So what I need you to do right now is just use water and those nice brand new cloth rags. And don't drop them on the ground. And then start wiping the car off. Go ahead and do it. Make sure the rag's real wet. So I've wetted down the Firebird now, and the guys are just going to go ahead and go through here and wipe it all down. Wetted it down pretty well, got everything nice and soft, and then guys using 100% cotton t-shirt to go ahead and go through this thing and just get everything off. I don't use soap very often. I try not to. It's one of those things where I just fight all the soap scum and everything else on here. So we'll go through it, and I've got my 3 helpers here. Yeah, wipe everything, buddy. And then rinse your rag off every once in a while, guys. Get all the dust out of your rag and put it in that nice clean bucket of water. All right, so car's looking a lot better now. Just did the water bath wash with some rags. Caden's gonna go ahead and towel her off. And I'll try and throw a few pictures up at the end of this video, what it looked like in the sunshine. I'm just kind of show, finally getting her out, get the driver to work tomorrow. So we'll take it from there. What do you think, Nico? You like it? Yeah?
Dad, the spell's getting a bit wet.
Okay, we'll get another one. All right, hey, if you like this video at all, hit like or subscribe. And we'll do some more updates on the Camaro. Probably do some more Firebird stuff later on. We'll see. I'll get a GoPro and mount it in the car and maybe drive it around. Thanks.